2025 school placement is out, and guess what? It is free to check your placement this year. All you need to have is your index number, your date of birth, and you are good to go. So how do you check your school placement this year? So this is a simple steps that you have to know, or that you have to go through. So you just log onto the official website for the school placement. So open any browser that you have and just search or log on to cssps.gov.gh slash, that's the /hub/login. So when the interface shows, you'll be required to enter your 10-digit BECE index number plus the last 2 digits of your examination year. So let me say, for example, if your index number is 01234567889, then you add the exams year 25, so which will be 01234567895. Now input your date of birth and make sure it's the same date you used during your BECE registration. Now click on sign in to view and print your placement slip. You can also save it as a PDF and print it later. One thing that you have to notice, if you are not automatically placed in any school of your choices, please kindly click on the self-placement button to find a school. For the sake of this video, I wouldn't want to talk more about this school placement, but in case I get time, I'll make a separate video on how to do self-placement. So stay tuned for more updates. If you have any questions or any challenges, just drop them in the comment box below. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I'm UNS Prince, and see you in my next video.